Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be on this rose gold cut crease here. So let's go ahead and get into this look. I first went in with this mauve pink shade and I'm applying this to my transition area. Right on top of that, I'm going to apply this hot pink. Then in my outer V, I'm going to apply this plum purple, and I'm really trying to pack that color on. To deepen my outer V a little bit more, I'm going to apply this purple here. I'm also sweeping this purple into my crease. And just to add a little bit more, I'm going to apply a little bit of black to my outer V as well. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease and blend out the edges with my finger. Now I'm applying the color Little Lady from the Jaclyn Hill palette. And right on top of that, I'm going to apply the eyeshadow Queen, just a little bit. And where the outer V meets the cut crease, I'm going to apply the eyeshadow Cran Apple. Off camera, I already applied eyelashes and eyeliner as well as finishing my face. To my lower lash line, I'm just going to apply that dark purple in mascara. And here's the complete look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.